Hi, my name is Dr. Tim Henry, and I am the coordinator of the athletic training program at SUNY Brockport. Today, I'd like to take a few minutes to talk to you about an exciting new program that is currently in review on our campus. And this program would be a combination of our current undergraduate exercise science major and our newly approved Master of Science in Athletic Training. So the technical term for this program would be an accelerated pathway in exercise science and the Master of Science in Athletic Training. As I said, this is currently under review with our College Senate, and we're hopeful that this will be approved at some point this fall. So the whole gist of the accelerated pathway is that essentially you would be spending your first 3 years at Brockport studying exercise science, while the final 2 years of your time at Brockport, you would be focusing on the athletic training major or the athletic training master's degree. This slide gives you a little bit more of a description. So this is a direct entry accelerated pathway, meaning that students would apply for this pathway directly out of high school. And once you are accepted into this program, then you would be in the program for 5 years. So you can see here, the primary benefit to this program is you're taking what would traditionally be a 6-year program. So that would be 4 years for your typical undergraduate degree in exercise science, and then another 2 years to complete the Masters of Science in Athletic Training. And you're combining that into 5 years. All 5 years of study in this accelerated pathway program would be at SUNY Brockport. And then, as I said, the first 3 years of your time, you would be focusing on the exercise science major. And then your 4th year, which would be the first year in the MSAT program, also counts as the 4th year of your undergraduate study, as well as being the first year in the MSAT graduate program. Finally, after 1 more year, which would be your 5th year, students are going to graduate with their Masters of Science in Athletic Training degree. So the admission requirements for this are very specific. So this is a program that people will apply to as a high school senior. You can go through the typical admissions process for SUNY Brockport here. And then if you are accepted to the accelerated pathway program, students are guaranteed a spot in this accelerated pathway. And that also means that you would also have a guaranteed spot in the Masters of Science and Athletic Training program during your 4th year, provided that you meet the performance criteria that will be required for this program, GPA requirements, prerequisite requirements, and so on. So the admission criteria out of high school is listed here. So you must have 90% unweighted high school GPA or higher. You must have 4 years of Regents, Honors, AP, or IB level math and science courses. You must have a SAT score, which is greater than 1170, or an ACT score equal to or greater than a 24. You must have a commitment to pursuing a career in athletic training through documented volunteer or observational experience. And then during your first 3 years, as I said, there is some performance criteria to deal with. You must maintain an overall 3.25 GPA with a 3.0 GPA required during your first 3 years during the prerequisite courses. So as I said, this is a program that's currently under review. The Masters of Science in Athletic Training master's program is approved, and we will be accepting students for the fall of 2022 into this program. But the accelerated pathway, we're hopeful, will be approved sometime this fall, and we will be able to get that up and running ASAP. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to speak to you about those. Again, my name is Tim Henry. You can see my email is listed here. My phone number is here. And then you'll see in the blue, there's also a website through the SUNY Brockport website that athletic training documents the athletic training master's program, and all the information about our program will be listed there.